Today, the country's future decisions rely upon our future sons and daughters who will lead by example, that we are assured and certain with the management of waste control programs progressing with our extended support throughout the nation. The future will also have a rebirth in this new young forthcoming generation, where many of these projects that have commenced will already be sorted in the futuristic and successfully in progression, whilst visibly felt and utilized by them as well. The Western Southern Province opened an office to introduce a program for the management of waste food through BOC's supportive and proposed methods, and which of a selected few main schools together joined in and commenced this starring project layout.
The key here was how to get school children involved in waste management. We are very proud to be able to involve young children in such a social cause.
The Thirasara Association in main aimed to target two factors: one, to create a Thirasara united town; the other, a lasting and responsible, advantages-filled country, and continues to achieve a global certification that BOC, with endless association, working and progressing tirelessly towards society and for its beneficial gains, and we being the first to approve commencement of such a project. These schools being trained to manage this waste control problem was the country's greatest treasure, here utilized to proceed with such a grandeur project, among which focused on many students who benefited from an opportunity presented each that BOC offered to them.
At a time when garbage is a global problem, it is important to have a center like this. We use this center in the school to manage waste as a resource. The children also bring garbage from their homes for this purpose. These children are trained to sort garbage.
Schools combined with houses to point out the harm caused to the environment if these waste piles were not sorted out immediately. This too, such a fortune bestowed on the economy's status, holding such knowledge passed on and taught, environmental values to be unharmed, and this very project was excelled and grasped so intelligently by these very wiser children. The effort made so amazingly by them, as we vividly discovered the fact. Recycling companies come to the very premises to buy these very waste piles, for which students of these very schools, with their approval, sought the relevant to be sold to these vendors. The income from this were webbed out daily by these children for daily expenses and their needs as well. The waste control plan, led by us BOC, with honor, we stand for the resolution made and solvent for the country via this glorious attributed project.
We started this project in February 2020. From then until today, we have been carrying out this waste management project very well with the participation of the students of our school.
For many a time, the menacing situation for many schools and households that desired a concrete solution for these waste piling in stacks, the Bank of Ceylon has surely, through its supportive and guiding solvents, surely enlightened to pave successful proposals through this Thirasara Association, and the future foreseen by us is a strengthened, resourced Sri Lanka. We will create strongly on this trusted and excellent movement forward.